Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to me channel. So yeah, y'all, I had this idea that okay, let me rewind, start from the beginning. Okay, so you guys watched my video where I did my Valentine's Day nails and I had drew the little red hearts on a couple of the nails. Now that lasted me until today. I just took them off. I did break like 2 yesterday, and I broke a couple like a few days after I did them. I broke maybe 2, but ever since then, them nails lasted this long. From the, I think I did them on the day of Valentine's, either the 13th or the 14th, and today is the 23rd, and they lasted all this time. I just took them off, so that's why my nails look like that. I just broke this, but I filed them and buffed them and everything, and they still look terrible. But so I was thinking, I did not want to put on any tips just yet because I am going to be doing my hair, so I didn't want to have like nails on. But my nails, they did have a little length to them like this one, but they're starting to break since I've took the nails off, because my nails are always thin. Like, I just had them all perfectly filed, so where you see it's uneven, they're breaking already. So anyways, I was thinking that I wanted to try to where is it? I wanted to try to put this Amy, is it, how do you say this? AIMEILI, I think I don't know. AIMEILI gel nail polish. It's like a, what am I trying to say? It's like a thick builder gel almost. It's a builder base. So I wanted to put that on top of my nails and see how that will turn out, just to like give them some strength. So I want to try this and then just polish over it with a gel color or something and see how it turns out. But I don't even know if I've used this yet. Have I? I don't think I have. I don't think I've used this yet, but I ordered this a while back on Amazon. So yeah, I want to go ahead and try to do that. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I got that out. Like I said, I did already prep my nails. I'm going to go ahead and go over them with an alcohol pad, put some primer on them, file them again just a little bit, and then just go ahead and put this on and put it under the lamp. I've never did it before, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Like I said, I've never done it before, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up and get started with that. Guys, so I went ahead and filed my nails a little bit, buffed them, just, you know, prepped them a little bit more than they were. I put the primer on, and I just did I tried to do a very thin coat of the base coat, my Morvan base coat, and I forgot I don't really like this base coat, but this is what I used. So this is how they're looking. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with applying the AIMEILI. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. AIMEILI or AIMEILI. I don't know. Builder Base UV and LED Soak Off. And like I said, I got this on Amazon for about like $5 or something like that. So open it up. And it says Builder Base up here. I'm going to open it up so y'all can see what it looks like. It's really thick. Kind of reminds me of I don't know if you guys can see that, of the gel nail glue. It's really thick. So I'm gonna see what we can do here. So I think I'll put my hand up here so you guys can see.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change.
Now at first I was going to try this with the clear polygel, but I was hoping that this would be a little bit quicker because I have some other things that I need to do. So I decided to try this way first. But I am going to also try it one day with the clear polygel. Alright, so that's the first nail. I'm going to go ahead and cure it and see how it looks. I don't even know how long to cure it for. How long do you cure this? It doesn't say, so I'm gonna start with 60. Let's see what happens. I just want to see like how thick or thin it's gonna be. Ooh, it was a little burning a little bit. Okay, so I did it for a little bit longer, and it's still a little sticky. Excuse the sides of my nails are always dry like this. I try to like clip it off, but I just always seem to have this problem here no matter what I do. But adding cuticle oil helps. Right now they're dry from the alcohol and all that stuff, but yeah, it still feels a little bit sticky. So I mean, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that for now until I do the rest of the nails, since I'm going to put them under the lamp. I'm going to go ahead and do them all. I like how nice and clear and glossy it turned out. Oh, shoot, I'm getting lint stuck to it, but just don't mind this, please. Oh my gosh, I got to get that off. I had to get that off. It was really bothering me. I hate all that dry, dead skin on the edges of my nails like that, so I had to take care of that first. Now I am working on the rest of my nails. So I'm trying to go kind of thick because I do want it to be nice and covered and protected as much as possible. So I'm spreading it out over the nail, but then I'm also going back across some of the spots that, you know, are kind of thin. I did the middle one, so the last one I have to do is my thumb and pinky. And I think when I put my hand under this time, I'm going to put it on the 99-second low heat mode and see how that does. Because I'm not exactly sure how long this is supposed to cure, but I'm assuming a bit longer than a normal base coat because of the thickness. So we shall see how this hand turns out. Okay, going in the lamp, low heat mode. All right, you guys, so this is after taking them out of the low heat mode. Very nice and shiny. I haven't touched it. They are a bit sticky. I'm not sure if you have to like wipe them. Doesn't say like no wipe. I'm gonna have to look it up to see exactly what I have to do after, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the right hand and do a coat on this one. Then I'm gonna look it up because I'm wondering if I should do 2 coats or leave it as 1 coat. I think 1 coat might be good. I just really want my nails to be smooth and just have a little, you know, bit of because my nails get so thin and break and rip so easily. Like this one will not last through the night if I do not protect it, and I'm hoping that this does the trick, because all of my nails grew when I had those glue-on nails on, but as soon as I take them off, my nails do not stand a chance. Done, and I did look it up. You can put a couple coats on because it is a builder gel, so you can use more than 1 coat, but I figured this coat would be just fine because they had a few different steps as to what you can use this for. So it did say you can wipe off, you know, just clean it off with alcohol. So that's what I'm gonna do, just to take some of that stickiness off of here and see how this does, because I am going to go over it with a color anyways. I don't want to put a top coat on it on this right now, since I'm going to go over it with color, and I just want to wipe this sticky off and See how this does. It says to like lightly file and buff over it, but since it's my natural nails and it's, you know, it's nothing for me to really file, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Leave it as is. I do see some lint kind of stuck under this. It's probably like that on a few, but I like it. I like that it's nice and smooth and glossy. And that took the sticky away, so that's a lot better. Yeah, I like. So yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do to it is just add some color. And, you know, just see how that lasts me just for a few days until I get ready to, like, after I do my hair and all that stuff. Then I'll probably soak it off or whatever and go ahead and apply some tips. So I just need this just for a little protection and to continue help my nails to grow, because whenever they're covered with something like nail tips, the acrylics, you know, the full cover nails and stuff, they grow very quickly and much longer. So I just want to have a little bit of strength to them so they can continue to grow a little bit more. So I'm going to try to find a color that I want to polish them, and then I'll be done.